Okay, everyone, tonight we are going to revisit the Petro Super Wash in Keswick, and that has a LaserWash 4000 in here. But main reason I'm doing a revisit because this store actually got an upgrade. They renovated during my break, and they even renovated the car wash too because they replaced the old dryer pros and they put in brand new Belanger dryers. So we will see how well it will go, see how well this wash will do and stuff like that. Because for budget reasons, we're going to be getting the basic wash. So yeah. But if you want me to come back and do the top wash, please let me know in the comments below. So that way I can come back here some point in the future and get the Super Works wash. I'm sure this wash hasn't been reprogrammed, but maybe I will come back and do the top wash revisit sometime and do it. And besides, I wanted to see how well the new dryers worked. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to pause it for now until we get to the entrance. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, we have our last customer of the night going for this wash. They are closing in right now since it's 8 o'clock. So we got here just in time, since they closed it for the night and tomorrow too. Anyways, here we go. Windows down to do the pay station. So one thing for sure, they added the new pay station before the renovation.
Welcome to Petro Canada.
Alrighty, here we go. So for basic. So yeah, so this is the basic wash. So let's scan it. And there we go.
Your code has been authorized. Thank you for visiting Petro Canada.
Yeah, and this is indeed the basic.
Please drive ahead slowly. Thank you.
Alrighty, now we did a basic wash here before ever since the superior dryers were still there. So here we go. Maybe there could be some blasters. Yep. I apologize in advance about the reflection on the windshield of a newspaper.
There's a fridge.
Don't talk. Alrighty, there we go. That's this basic wash. Go ahead and pull up by the vacuum to quickly see how well the wash did. Despite this is a basic. Know if that was quick and stuff like that, so I might as well stop here where I stopped last time. Alrighty. Yeah, it doesn't say how much is the wash on this ticket. I believe it or not, I think it's like $9.99 for the basic. I'm not sure. Alrighty, so let's see how well the new dryers did. Oh wow, the new dryers really didn't do a great job. Making sure that's not soap, it's not, it's just water. Didn't really get that fat. So I think that's a little bit of soap on the car, but the dryers really didn't do well on the hood. Didn't get off fat. And fat too. Didn't get off all of fat on the sides, like there was dirt and fat on the sides. This is a good reason why you should get the top wash. It includes 2 high pressure rinse passes. Back for soap on the car a little bit. And dryers really didn't do well. The brand new Belanger dryers. That is really a shame. The old dryers did much better job than the new dryers. Like they moved up and down and stuff like that, where this one didn't move at all. I guess they need to replace the superior dryers, but this is the second set of dryers they actually added in, since they used to have laser dry dryers when they put in this machine, and then they replaced the laser dry dryers with a superior Tempest Pro dryers, and then after that they replaced the Pro dryers with a Belanger dryers, which did a terrible job. So overall, it kind of did a great job. I'm not sure if I highly recommend the basic. They actually changed the new sign. Here they added a new stir box. This is what the new stir looks like. They basically renovated it. So yeah, anyways, that's a basic wash revisit of this Petro Super Wash in Keswick. I don't know if I recommend it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know if you want me to come back and get the top wash. I know I did the top wash here before, and that's when the superior dryers were there. Okay, I just want to point out one more thing about this wash. So right now I'm at the Walmart in Keswick, since we had to go there after this wash. So yeah. Over there you can see here there's another building, and that's the Hello car wash with a newer McNeil tunnel that has been installed earlier this year. I actually did a visit there and stuff like that. Overall, I like this car wash here much better than the Petro Canada. It is a tunnel, it does a great job, and this is the only tunnel wash there is in Keswick. It's closed right now, so I couldn't go to it, so yeah. If you also want me to do a revisit of this tunnel wash and do a better retake on it, please let me know in the comments below. I know it's been like since January since I last filmed this wash. So yeah, anyways, just wanted to point out this video. I definitely love this car wash much better than the Petro Canada. Anyways, once again, that's gonna be it. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.